Okay lang ba na tingnan mo yung cellphone ng asawa or boyfriend or girlfriend mo? Sagutin natin. Very juicy, very interesting at sensational ang topic na ito. Pero para po sa akin, personally, there's my advice. Ang pagtingin, pag-stalk, or pakikialam ng cellphone ng partner mo, kahit mag-boyfriend pa lang kayo or even kahit mag-asawa na kayo, para sa akin, hindi siya tama. Explain ko pa. In my opinion dapat you still maintain a personal space kahit pa man ano lang status nyo, kahit boyfriend or mag-asawa na. Kailangan meron pa rin kayong space individually para mag-explore at mag-grow. Remember that our partners, even though we are married to them, they are not our possession. Hindi sila bagay or object. If we cannot trust our partner, our boyfriend, girlfriend, or our husband or a wife with something as simple as a phone communication device, then I don't think that we can be in a relationship in the first place. Besides, alam niyo ba na kahit anong bantay nyo, kahit anong higpit nyo sa partner ninyo, kung mangloloko yan, makakahanap ng paraan yan at lolokohin ka pa rin yan. Whether kunin mo man yung cellphone niya o hindi. Naniwala kayo sa akin, may backup phones yan. So, dapat nga ba nating tignan or pakialaman ang mga cellphones, ang communication devices ng mga partner natin? In my opinion, hindi dapat. Okay?